Hello, Mustachio here, in big truck with old man guy. He's gonna teach us how to drive the fucking thing. Alright, what's going on here? You put lever up, the buck takes shit, and the shit leaves the truck. And if it was properly installed, it would actually go up higher. That's good. Did you just take a dump? Well, it finally fucking happened. Goddamn snow everywhere. Not ready for winter. This is bad. But, should have seen this coming. Been late in fucking season. I fucked up anyways. Alright, now I gotta go put hay out for horses. It was a long night last night. Mustachio had lots of drinks. This is why I look rough as fuck. Went to some birthday party. You know how it goes. Alright, today my main fucking thing is to find everything in the fucking snow. Like a pan, fucking skis. There's fucking junk, all this shit there. My mission for today is to clean that up. And then, I don't know. Alright, we're in Cummins Turbo Diesel. Got puppy dog. Got the old man reverb back there in load and bobcat thingy. We're gonna go rescue old Fiat Alice. She's having more fuel troubles. Looks like more of the shitty rubber hose has gone kaput inside, so blocking stuff. Front of the bobcat we've got Honda generator and a little air compressor. I got to blow up one of the tires, probably maybe two of them, but yeah, we take our time and we have a good day. No. Alright, old man gonna hold the camera and I'm gonna fucking start this bitch.
Jesus Christ.
It's not fucking happy, is it? This fucking goddamn batteries are sad. There we go, we could have a little bit more communication.
Well, take two.
Take two. Hopefully there's not take 475, because that would fucking suck. Don't press on the button under there or you'll shut it off.
Touch it.
And your fucking thumb's in the way.
Okay.
Alright, hang on now. Hold it right fucking here.
Wow, fuck, I can't see it.
Doesn't matter. It's about what you see as long as you don't shut it off.
So you want me to give it a shot of this, sir?
Oh yeah. What the fuck? I think I need to drink more than the fucking loader does.
With the may I,
Oh, dirty old cold start! Oh yeah, you dirty whore!
battery's fucked on the other side.
Oh yeah! Very nice! Alright, just taking off the bobcat, bring everything back. And I'll go pick him up and then Alright, today we're in shed where lathe is. We're cleaning out tire spots so we can move some shit around in here. Got my nice door for the Dodge. Got the nice windshield for old wedge style Polaris. Anyways, so we're just cleaning out in here so I can place all the tires that are outside with the things in other places and the whatnots. Got to bring the generator back in. Got to clean out all this mess there. Be good to go for winter. And then later we're going to get truck with a trailer. You know the usual little things that really sucks to film, but what can you do? We're going to have to wait to do all the cool shit because apparently cleaning is important. And yeah, the cleaner you are, the better job you can do without looking for shit and this and that and whatever. Man, that fucking blazer looks sexy as fuck. Boner. Alright. We got some shit cleaned out here. There's more shit to clean, but most of it is moved. What's going on is that we fired up truck. Brennan here is gonna come give me a hand. We're gonna hook up. We're going to pick up 2 trucks. Look at that. We fucking tagged the Sudbury Hater Mobile. This is like the most hated car in all of Sudbury. It's fucking awesome. Mustachio approved. Big truck, fucking mirrors, got fucking lights, everything works. Too bad you guys weren't here when it had the big fucking stack on the back. But the cops made him take it off, but yes. Anyways, we're gonna hook up trailer and start heading for town. Alright, we got giant GMC pickup. 1 ton of fun. It's bigger than this bitch, but whatever. Now we're on our way back. There we are. We have the fucking old piece of shit. Probably not a piece of shit, but you know. Oh, dick.
Oh, dick.
Oh, big heavy bitch.
Let her roll.
These donuts.
There we go. Now we go get next truck. Fuck's sakes. Alright, focus video, you goddamn. Alright, and pick 'em up truck again. We're going to scrapyard. As you can tell over there, big Chevy. Not much fucking left of it. I picked it up last night for free. I don't think I videotaped because it was a big pain in my cock hole. So I finished it all by myself and that's it. So we filled it up with scrap and we're going to dump it off. Oh, we dropped off the truck there. She's fucking dead. He like emptied it out. It's fucking hilarious. Now he's using truck as plow. Alright, let's go get paid. Right, we're working in the shop tonight and just cleaning the fuck out of everything. Focus, you cocksucker.
Okay.
What the fuck are you doing up there, you clown?
Just building the shit and stuff, probably.
Holy fuck. Our mezzanine is not very impressive, is it?
Oh.
Not very good. Anyways, we're putting tires and rims up there so we can bring in some firewood.
Oh.
Jesus Christ. Are you like BVD or some shit?
A dick. Gonna ram a hammer, probably.
Oh, fuck's sakes. Alright, we're on the round 2. We got fucking tires up here. Brandon fucking sitting up there. Still waiting. He's like the Holy Christ of son of a bitch there. Alright. Let's see if we could make this go for a ride. almost crushed the chair. Not good. Alright, now time for rims. Alright, these dirty rims are going on the 47. Most of you guys didn't like that the last time that these rims were posted, but they're fucking sexy as fuck. So suck a dick.